Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're unable to set a default app for your MP4 file format on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So if you're having an issue with this file extensions format types, and then I'll show you how to resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings. Then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And the next step ay dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. Ito siya, so i-click lang natin yan. And then dito sa apps, yung pinakauna lang, ito yung installed apps. So kailangan ulit natin itong i-click. And then dito sa installed apps, dito lang sa search apps, ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Movies and TV. And so mag-pop up ka dito mga kaibigan, yung Movies and TV. So ang next step, dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So kailangan mo lang yan i-click. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Advanced Options. Click lang natin yan. And then dito sa Advanced Options, ang next step ay scroll down. And then dito lang sa Reset. So if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong repair para ma-fix yung problem. So i-click lang natin yan. And then wait natin. Okay, so makikita mo dito na complete na yung repair. So if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan lang natin itong i-reset. Alright, so i-click mo lang itong reset. And then pop up itong this will permanently delete the app's data on this device. And then i-click mo lang itong reset. And then wait ulit natin. Okay, so makikita mo dito na complete na yung repair and reset. In hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so close lang natin itong settings. And the other solutions na pwede natin gawin para ma-open natin yung MP4 video file format mga kaibigan. So isa ito sa example natin. Ito siya, okay? So itong video na to, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung open with. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan. So nandito yung mga option settings na pwede natin gawin para ma-open yung video like video players, Microsoft Photos, Windows Media Player Legacy, and then yung search the Microsoft Store. So select ka lang dito mga kaibigan. So for example, select lang natin itong Windows. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na mag-start na po siya na ma-open yan. Ayan, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix cannot set a default app for MP4 on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.